Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Clash Royale when it's not loading or get stuck on the loading screen. So if your game isn't opening or responding, you can try this quick fixes that should help you get back into the game. So let's begin. First, you need to go ahead and make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or network connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is strong and stable, and you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. A weak connection is often the reason the game gets stuck while loading. So next, close the Clash Royale application completely from your device or from the background and reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone or the tablet to clear any background issues that you're having. And after restarting, you can make sure that your app is up to date. So for that, you need to open the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Simply search for Clash Royale. If you see an update button instead of open or play, go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Once updated, go back to your home screen, and if the problem still continues, long press the app icon and select the uninstall button and then tap on OK to confirm, and it will be uninstalled. Then reinstall Clash Royale application from your Play Store once again. And also check if the Clash Royale servers are down and try clearing the cache. Go to the app info, then scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, come back, try for stopping this application, and re-enable it again. So that's it. This is how you can fix the Clash Royale when it's stuck on the loading screen. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.